Want your indoor plants to grow faster, greener, and healthier without spending a fortune? The secret isn't luck, it's using the right planting techniques from day one. These simple indoor planting tips can turn weak, struggling plants into lush jungle-style houseplants in just weeks. Whether you're growing pothos, snake plants, monsteras, or peace lilies, these easy tricks will help your indoor garden thrive fast. Number 1. Choose the right pot size. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is using pots that are too large. Oversized pots hold extra moisture, which can cause root rot and slow growth. Choose a pot that is only 1 to 2 inches larger than the plant's root ball. Smaller pots help roots establish faster and encourage healthier growth. Always make sure the pot has drainage holes so excess water can escape. Terracotta pots are especially great because they allow airflow to the roots and prevent overwatering problems. A properly sized pot creates the perfect environment for rapid root development, helping your houseplants grow stronger and faster. Use high-quality potting. Mix indoor plants grow best in loose, airy soil that drains well. Regular garden soil is too heavy for houseplants and can suffocate roots. Instead, use a premium indoor potting mix. You can also improve your soil by mixing in perlite, orchid bark, or cocoa coir for better drainage and airflow. Healthy roots need oxygen just as much as water. Good soil prevents fungus, root rot, and pests while boosting nutrient absorption. When roots stay healthy, plants grow faster, produce more leaves, and develop vibrant colors. Give plants bright. Indirect light is the fuel that powers plant growth. Most indoor plants thrive in bright indirect sunlight near east or south-facing windows. Too little light causes slow growth, yellow leaves, and weak stems. On the other hand, harsh direct sunlight can scorch delicate leaves. The goal is balanced lighting. If your home lacks natural light, consider using LED grow lights. Even a few extra hours of quality light daily can dramatically speed up plant growth and keep foliage lush and healthy. 4. Water the right way. Overwatering kills more houseplants than underwatering. Instead of watering on a schedule, check the soil first. Push your finger about an inch into the soil. If it feels dry, it's time to water. Water deeply until excess moisture drains from the bottom. Never let plants sit in standing water because soggy roots quickly rot. Consistent watering habits help plants grow steadily without stress. Healthy hydration leads to larger leaves, stronger roots, and faster indoor growth. 5. Increase humidity. Indoors, many popular houseplants come from tropical climates and love humidity. Dry indoor air can cause brown leaf edges, drooping, and slow growth. Increase humidity by grouping plants together, using a humidifier, or placing pebble trays filled with water under pots. Bathrooms and kitchens are often naturally humid spaces perfect for tropical plants. Higher humidity helps leaves stay healthy, improves photosynthesis, and encourages faster growth. 6. Fertilize. During growing season, plants need nutrients to grow quickly. During spring and summer, feed your houseplants with a balanced liquid fertilizer every 2 to 4 weeks. Look for fertilizers designed specifically for indoor plants. Avoid over-fertilizing because too much can burn roots and damage foliage. Proper feeding encourages fuller growth, stronger stems, brighter foliage, and bigger leaves. Think of fertilizer as energy food for your plants. 7. Clean plant leaves regularly. Dusty leaves block sunlight and reduce photosynthesis. Wipe leaves gently with a damp cloth every few weeks to keep them clean and shiny. Clean leaves absorb more light and breathe better through their pores. This simple habit also helps you spot pests early before they become serious problems. Healthy, clean foliage helps indoor plants grow faster and look far more beautiful. 8. Rotate your plants. Weakly houseplants naturally lean toward sunlight. If you leave them in one position too long, they can become uneven or leggy. Rotate your plants a quarter turn every week so all sides receive equal light exposure. This encourages balanced growth and fuller shapes. Even lighting distribution creates stronger stems and healthier overall development. 9. Prune dead or yellow. Leaves removing damaged leaves helps plants redirect energy toward healthy new growth. Trim yellow, brown, or dying leaves using clean scissors or pruning shears. Pruning also improves airflow around the plant and reduces the risk of disease. Some plants even become bushier after trimming. Regular maintenance keeps your indoor garden neat, healthy, and constantly producing fresh growth. Number 10. Keep plants away from temperature stress. Sudden temperature changes can shock indoor plants. Avoid placing them near air conditioners, heaters, or drafty windows. Most houseplants prefer temperatures between 65 to 80 degrees, 27 degrees. Stable warmth helps roots absorb nutrients efficiently and supports rapid growth. When plants stay comfortable, they grow faster, produce healthier leaves, and recover quickly from stress. Growing thriving indoor plants doesn't have to be difficult. With the right light, proper watering, healthy soil, and a little regular care, your houseplants can grow faster than ever. Start using these indoor planting tips today, and soon your home will feel like a lush green jungle filled with healthy, vibrant plants. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more easy plant care tips and indoor gardening ideas.